forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, here's your disturbance coming out of Iowa. You see it right here. So storms kind of developing here and then also right through central Illinois and right into our viewing area here in the coming hours. So pretty much now right through 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, scattered storms developing here, kind of gradually morphing together. And then we may actually have a little bow of storms that comes through very late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now, at least right now, the severe thunderstorm watch is found in Montgomery County and southeast, where that goes until 2 a.m. It's possible that a new watch may be issued here, and we'll wait and see if new watch is issued here and move northward. It's unclear what the Storm Prediction Center, National Weather Service are going to do, but just be aware that we still have the risk of severe weather getting into the nighttime, enhanced risk for a chunk of the area. And my thoughts here that the best chance of really any severe weather, really the southwest half of the viewing area. This is pretty much going to be Kentland to about Chalmers, to about Flora, and then Greentown and southwestward. That zone has the best chance of getting severe weather from now to 6 a.m. from some damaging wind gusts, a little bit of large hail, a brief tornado, and also some locally heavy rain, because some of these storms, especially down here, are going to train a little bit. Not everybody's going to get a 2-inch rain out of this or an inch of rain, but there will be a corridor that may see some plus 2.5, 3-inch amounts down here in our southern counties. Let's track all that with 18 Precision Cast. This is getting towards midnight, 1:30 in the morning. You'll see some storms popping and moving out of Illinois, and they increase. This is about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. You see the clusters of storms here and a lot of storms around 4 a.m. You'll notice, again, it's Kentland to like Chalmers to Greentown. This is the zone of severe weather risk and some locally heavy rainfall. There's not as much going on up here in our northern or northeastern counties. Even severe weather risk right through 5 and 6 a.m. But then it gets out of here. Things calm down. Just pretty windy and muggy and hot tomorrow. Winds out of the southwest. That's 8 o'clock. This is 1. But then the old outflow boundary from the storms we get tonight, that'll be kind of curled up back here. We'll move northward. And with it getting that hot tomorrow, we're going to bubble things up once again. Some scattered storms around. And again, a few of these could produce severe weather as well. And gradually they fade coming up tomorrow night. So for tomorrow late in the day, generally about 5 p.m. to 11 p.m., there's a marginal risk for severe weather with a generally wind and hail threat. We'll watch any brief weak tornado risk, and you'll get some downpours out of it as well, with highs running near 90 to the mid-90s. The same thing applies to Sunday, but for Sunday, we look pretty capped, so storms are pretty isolated. But if a storm does pop, could go severe as well. And both days, heat indices upper 90s to perhaps as high as about 108, 109. 90 Monday, could have a line of storms with severe weather risk at some point, but it's much cooler on Tuesday with a 77, 80 Wednesday, 87 Thursday. Then we're back in the 90s on Friday.